In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize page URL slugs inside the Pages panel in Chrome. To begin, open your site's Pages area and navigate to the Layout Organizer where your page list appears. This is the section that displays your site structure in a clear column or sidebar view, including pages, portfolio items, blog entries, and other content types. Make sure you're viewing the full list so you can easily find the exact item you want to optimize. Once you're there, move your cursor over the specific page name, portfolio project, or blog post you want to edit. As you hover over that row or card, look for the gear-shaped settings icon. Click that icon to open the individual settings window for that piece of content. This is where you'll be able to adjust important properties related to how the page is presented and identified. Inside the settings panel, find the URL slug field. In many site editors, this will appear under the General tab, although sometimes it may be located under a content-related section depending on the layout you're working with. The slug field controls the final part of the page's web address, so this small edit can have a meaningful impact on both usability and search visibility. Now review whatever is currently in that slug box. Often, the default version is long, cluttered, and automatically generated, especially for blog posts or imported content. You may see extra words, dates, random fragments, or unnecessary strings that don't help users or search engines understand the topic clearly. Delete those messy elements so you can replace them with something more focused. Next, type a short, clean, keyword-focused slug. Use only your main target search terms and separate each word with simple hyphens. Avoid spaces, capital letters, and special characters. The goal here is to create a URL that is easy to read, easy to share, and instantly clear about what the page is about. For example, a slug like /Squarespace SEO tips or /minimalist kitchen design is much more effective than a long auto-generated address. When you're happy with the new slug, click Save to apply the change. This locks in the optimized URL and helps search engines better interpret the page topic when crawling and indexing your site. It also improves the appearance of your links, making them more trustworthy and more readable for visitors. Keep your slugs concise,